going on, everybody? Welcome to Decor in Store for You, an extension of Verse to Verse Breakthrough Entertainment. And today I would like to show you all how to make leaves out of gingerbread men. Okay, so I wanted some more leaves, and the different stores are running out. Excuse me. I'm gonna show you all what I did so far. I knew I wanted to make content out of this, and then I got started on this, and then I remember, oh Lord, I gotta show the people how to do it. So as you can see, I have a leaf there, you know, very nice, glittery, fancy. Okay, right? I have different things on my wall. I got a nice owl over there, a glittery pumpkin over there, a nice pumpkin here, orange. Okay, so it's like brown and orange going on my wall as far as the fall decor. And I got a pumpkin that I painted there, and the leaf I made when I traced that leaf out on a poster board and I painted it. I have all of those videos up, so you have to go back and watch. Okay, now I'm in a different part of my house because I have a situation going on and they trying to fix it now, so I have to be on this side. So let me show you all real quick how I made this. Turn this down. I'm not trying to make this video too long. I've just been trying to figure this out myself. And the reason why I'm making these is because I haven't been able to find any leaves, and I'm tired. I don't want to keep, you know, running from store to store to find leaves, you know. So, and I gotta get, so where we at? It's Monday, and it's time, Tuesday. It's time to start cooking. So I'm gonna start cooking tonight, no later than tomorrow morning for Thanksgiving. So anyway, I want to get this craft out the way. And it's another craft I'm going to do too. I want to make a sign, a gather sign. So we'll see how that goes. But you want to just get one of these. I just eyeballed it, ladies. And you need a pencil. So as far as this shape, I just eyeballed it, okay? I didn't use any type of, you know, stencil, but you can use this as a stencil. So watch this, right? So this is what came out, right? So take the other one, because I got 12 of these, okay? I found these at the Family Dollar, and it comes in a pack like this. It's called foam shapes, and it's 12 in the pack, right? So I saw it, I was like, okay, you know, we're not quite at Christmas, and I went, I'm just gonna grab these gingerbread and see what I could do with it. And then as I was walking around the store, it hit me leaves. All right, because I want some leaves. It's an empty wall space in my living room where I want this at. So watch this. So hold it down, trace light, and it's best to use a pencil. I just wanted to show you all this hack. So if you are looking to create some leaves for your wall, you can, you know, just grab these gingerbread from the Family Dollar. And you all see. Okay. I told myself, I'm done with content. I'll start back next week after the holiday. Nope, I forgot. No, I wanted to go ahead with this. So for this project, you will need, okay, scissors, the pack of gingerbread, like I showed you, the pencil, and some type of thin tip marker. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which one I'm going to use. This is a very, very super fine tip to create, like, you know, the little accent, you know, leaf vine thingies. And you need pop dot tape. So I'll show you the pop dot. Hold on. Okay, here's the pop dot tape. It's just the double-sided sticking tape in this foam. And that's what you're going to put on the back of the leaves, okay, to stick on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. Remove this. I was sitting over here working on my lap. That's why you all see that whiteboard that I just moved. Then I thought about the viewers. I was like, nah, let me show them. Let me hop on real quick and show you all how to do this. This is an awesome hack, you know. I just came up with it. I never seen anybody do this, you know. Here on YouTube, I haven't seen it. And so what I'll title this video, I'm thinking maybe I'll title this How to Make Leaves Out of Gingerbread Man, out of foam gingerbread men. Alright. Yeah. So since I got this too, and I'm not trying to make this video too long, excuse me, since I have these two and I don't want to make the video too long, it's something going on, and I'm trying to hurry up and do this video. I'll bring this back. All right, see, that's what I'm saying. I'll be back. Hang tight. Yeah, I turned this so you all can see what I'm doing, because this video is not long. So as you can see, I have 5 cut out already, and I got 7 more to go. And when I get done, I'll put a little piece of pop dot on the back and stick it on the wall. But for now, I want to. I was just on my lap. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. Just gonna put some lines, the vine lines on here. I don't know, okay, everybody. This is not. I'm just, okay, freehand eyeballing, okay. And that's all we're gonna do. So you wanna do it with the pencil. Let me see what look I wanna go for. Yeah, you have to test things out. So as far as the marker, that ain't neat. That's why I brought 2. See, I don't like how that looks. It's probably just gonna be this thin. Let me see if it even. Yeah, perfect. See, you pick the size as far as the point type of type of fine point you want, and you go with that. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just experimenting. So as you can see, okay, it's kind of hard to see, but okay, like in pencil, I did it very light. You have to hold it because it's foam. Okay, so There's some leaf action. Okay, that's cool. You can do this however you feel the need to. Put a lot of lines. I could have left it like it was. I'm just experimenting. You put a lot of lines. I like how I had it the first time. Oh, and it's okay. You could just experiment with whatever you want. And if you don't like it, just turn it over. I like it how I had it the first time. I don't want a lot of lines. So. I'm just playing around. You know, whatever look right, okay, it look right. If it don't look right, you just scratch the plan. Oh, that's cool. Look like a leaf to me. All right. You just keep going. See, I've never done this before, so I'm just free, free handing this, eyeballing it. See, that looks like a real leaf to me. Okay, that's cool. Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if you could paint, you could possibly paint these different colors. I don't know, you all, but yeah. Okay, so if you was thinking, I want red or orange or yellow, maybe I will experiment off camera and then because I have all of those colors here. I have orange, like the matte acrylic paints, as far as the craft paint that you would find at Walmart or Menards. I have all of that here, but I'm just thinking. This was an impromptu project that I didn't really plan out. You all may as well get ready because you're going to get a lot of that from me on here. I feel like I could think better and come up with like my best craft ideas when I come up with a idea off of a whim. You know what I mean? Because I'm really feeling how this is going. These are very cute. And I just want them on my wall in a way whereas it would look like they're blowing. So you want to, okay, I'll show y'all. So just act like this is a wall, right? So you just want to, and I got 12, so it'll be in rows of like 4, 8, 12. Here, I'll show you guys. You all, I think this idea that I came up with off of a whim, I think this is so cute. I got a spot in my living room, like a wall spot, a wall space. That would be perfect for this. So act like this is my wall, right? And so these are the leaves, right? So you want to kind of have them looking like they're blowing at an angle. That's why you always, when you purchase things, always know your count. You got to understand, how many you have. As opposed to that space. You need to know, how many shapes you have in that space, where you're trying to hang it up at. So far that's 8. So as you all can see, this is my vision for the wall. I'm just drawing y'all that little wall area space that I'm, I got everything looking so nice. I got my fall decor popping this year. I don't know what got into me this year, because I really, okay. Well, I've been at home during the quarantine, so that's probably why that has helped me as well to really like delve deep into this DIY community that I've been so into since last year, which was 2020. So I just, wanted to, I thought about you all, and I figured, well, I got this board right here, so I might as well give them the vision real quick, what I, of what I'm doing. Right? So these are the leaves. So, okay, so when you put them on the wall, you want to make it look like, they're blowing in the wind at an angle. All right? So I drew 8, but I have 12 of these. So I just drew this amount as an example. All right, y'all. So that's what I'm trying to do. And it's very cute. Now, I don't know if I'm going to like... I'll figure it out as I go. Like, I don't know if I'm going to have a cute saying down in here or like above it or below it. I don't know. But all I know is I envisioned these leaves as soon as I saw this. Okay? So that's all I do know. All right. So that's the game plan. I'm going to get off here and go ahead and finish. Let me turn the camera back. So, okay, you all, you see, that's how it's going to be on my wall. All right, let me turn this camera. So, yes, that's my vision. Like, I really like this. I haven't came up with a saying, yet. Because I'm already going to make like this other sign that's going to say gather. So if I come up with something, maybe I could put like harvest. I don't know. Autumn. Maybe I'll think of something. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. But all I know is this is cute. I fell in love with this. And so I wanted to show you all, this because... just in case you get into a bind like me where it's some wall space and you really want some leaves real bad and you can't find anywhere. Okay, I just showed you all how to get that done with those foam gingerbread men from the Family Dollar. And again, it is a 12-pack for $1. So I'm going to get off of here and go ahead and finish this project. Thanks for watching. You all have a blessed day.